Hello, Mr. Beard. I'm Judge Whitman with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. You have some unresolved matters here, mostly all traffic. You have one case that stems, excuse me, from June 10th of 2026, stop sign violation and operation of a ATV. What I've done is I have the prosecutor here, and what I'd like for you to do is kind of weigh your options. You have an absolute right to a trial in these matters, but you also can listen to the prosecutor and their plea offer, and then you can decide whether you want it set for trial or take the plea. So if you would ask the gentleman that gave you those headphones to put you in a breakout room, you'll be able to speak to the prosecutor in private.
I need to go to a breakout
I
room.
understand. Yes, ma'am. That's what that little signal means right there.
Yes, Mr. Rankin?
Judge, I think we do have a resolution.
All right.
I believe Mr. Beard is willing to plead guilty to the stop sign ticket. In exchange, the city would drop the prohibited operation of an ATV. We'd recommend a fine of $103.50 and no probation, no jail time, anything.
All right. Mr. Beard, did you understand what the prosecutor just said?
Yes, I did.
That you are willing to plead to the stop sign violation and the other charge would be dismissed.
Yes.
Do you understand, though, by entering the plea, you're giving up your right to that trial?
Yes.
And is that how you want to proceed today?
Yes, please.
All right. For the charge of the stop sign violation, how do you plead, guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
I'll accept your plea. The other charge will be dismissed. I will I enter the fine as suggested, the $80 and the state fee of $23.50. I know you are in custody. I can give you time to pay. How long will it take you, do you think, to pay?
Well, I should have money in the bank, so I
Okay.
should be able to pay pretty quick, like 3 days.
All right. What I'll do is I will go to, I'll give you a good week.
Right.
I'll go August 7th at 1 o'clock.
Right.
If you're out of custody, obviously you can pay online, or you can come to the clerk
I'll come
and
to the
pay
court.
here on the city at City Hall.
Yeah,
All right.
I know how to do that.
Yes, all right. All right, so I will set it for that, for payment. And if you don't have any other questions, that'll conclude the hearing.
Well, am I getting out?
I know that you have some other charges, I believe, and I'm not in charge of those other charges. As far as city court is concerned, the only thing need to do now is pay these fines and costs. As far as the other charges, I don't believe you'll be getting out today.
Well, I
But
can't get that. I
well,
can't get,
well, I gave you till August 7th. I will tell you that these charges are not holding you at all. So
okay, well, I won't be out August 7th.
okay. Well, then I can give you, I'll go to, how about September 3rd?
I don't know, I'll be out in September.
Well, I'll put it to September 3rd and we'll know if you're still in. Okay. And then we can work from there. All right.
All right,
All right.
thank you.
September 3rd at 1 if you're out. If you're still in, we'll know and we'll let you, and we'll move the date for you.
All right.
All right. Thank you.
That's it.
Very good. Make sure to ask her, are we done?
Yeah,
we done?
that'll conclude the hearing. Yes. Thank you.
And just checking, all done there.
Yes.
All right, our next three are all in one pod down at the other end of the hall, so I will be back soon.
All right. Sounds good.
Yep. And pardon me all, Wallace Fox is here.
All right, thank you. Hello, Mr. Fox. I am Judge Whitman with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. You have some unresolved matters here. All of them are traffic. You have 3 charges of failure to appear, no driver's license, driving while suspended, no insurance, and impeding traffic, driving too slow. Most all of these stem from either 2024 or 2025. What I'd like for you to do today is you have an absolute right to a trial in these matters, but you can also, I have the prosecutor here, you can listen to their plea offer to weigh your options, whether you would like to set it for trial or take the plea. So if you would ask the gentleman that gave you those headphones to put you in a breakout room, you'll be able to speak to the prosecutor in private about the plea.
Yes, ma'am. So as she said, what I'm doing is moving you over what we call the breakout room.
Judge, I think
Yes,
we do
Mr.
have a
Rankin?
resolution.
Okay, good.
I believe Mr. Fox is willing to plead guilty to the no insurance and the no driver's license charge. And the city would move to dismiss the other 5 charges. It would recommend a fine of $473.50.
Mr. Fox, did you understand what Mr. Rankin just said?
Yes, ma'am, I sure did.
That you're willing to plead to those 2 charges of no insurance and no driver's license, and the other charges would be dismissed.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And then the paying of fines and costs on those cases.
Yes, ma'am.
By entering the plea, however, you are giving up your right to a trial. Is that still how you want to proceed?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
I'm just trying to pay you off. You know, that's all I want to do is pay you off. That's it. I'm trying to get it
I
out the way.
got you. I got you. All right. For the charges of no driver's license and no insurance, how do you plead, guilty or not
Guilty,
guilty?
guilty, ma'am.
I will accept your plea. The other charges will be dismissed. You will owe that a little over $500. You will be getting out today. We will send over paperwork to get you out. When do you think you can have that paid?
I can have it paid by August 31st.
All right. Then what I'll do is I'll set it for September 4th at 1 o'clock.
Yes, ma'am.
If you've paid it off, you don't even have to worry about September 4th. However, if you've paid nothing, you need to come back and ask for more time. If you do pay some in increments, they will move the date for you. Okay. But we will send over paperwork. Your next court date is for payment, and September 4th at 1 o'clock. All right.
Thank you, ma'am.
Did you have any questions at all?
No, ma'am. Only thing I have a question is, how can I get? I'm trying to get my driver license reestablished. How can I get that
Yes.
back?
Well, what you can do is if you drop by the court to make your payment, we have cards for Driver Solutions, which is down in Marion. Um, and it's the driver control place, and there's a guy there that can help you work through what you need to get done.
Uh,
So
You're gonna have
yeah,
to, they'll have to give me direction how to get there. You know what I'm saying?
yeah,
Because
we have the
I,
that's what's on the card is the instructions and everything on how to get there and who to ask for.
okay, I sure appreciate it, member. I sure
Yeah,
appreciate all the help.
You can stop by anytime. Our cashier window has their little green cards. That's what you want is a green card.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. I sure
All
appreciate
right.
it. I
All
appreciate
right.
y'all working with me, and I'm working with y'all.
All right. Well, you have a great day, and we'll send over the paperwork you'll be getting out.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Next, I'm not sure who it'll be, Garcia or Barnhart. We're kind of in the middle of meds and stuff, so we'll get somebody here quick.
All right. Sounds good.
Pardon me, Judge, Miguel Garcia is here.
All right, thank you. Hello, I'm Judge Whitman with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. You have some unresolved matters here. They're all, most of them are traffic. We will discuss the traffic cases today. Failure to appear, driving while suspended, a defective headlamp, no driver's license, no insurance, a speeding ticket, driving while suspended again, defective mirrors, overtaking a vehicle on the left, and no registration. Some of these stem from 2021 up through the latest one is from February of 2026. I wish for you to understand that you have an absolute right to a trial in these matters. And if you want them set for trial, we can do that. I also have a Mr. Rankin here who I would like you to speak with to see what kind of plea offer that he would give you on these. And so you can kind of weigh your options of whether you would like to take it to trial or take the plea. So if you'd ask the gentleman that gave you those headphones to put you in a breakout room, you'll be able to speak to Mr. Rankin in private.
Breakout room.
Yes, sir.
I understand. Yes, ma'am. So as the judge said, we call this a breakout room. That will be you talking one-on-one.
Mr. Rankin?
Judge, I think we do have a resolution.
All right.
Others. I believe Mr. Garcia is willing to plead guilty to the one no insurance count. The city would recommend a fine of $323.50. We would dismiss the other 9 traffic matters.
All right. Mr. Garcia, did you understand what the prosecutor just said?
Yes, Your Honor, I did.
That you are willing to plead to the no insurance and the other charges would be dismissed.
Correct, Your Honor.
All right. By entering this plea, however, you are giving up that right to a trial that you have.
Correct, Your Honor.
And is that how you want to proceed?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So for the charge of no insurance, how do you plead guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
All right. I'll accept your plea. The other charges will be dismissed. We'll assess that $300 fine with the $23.50 and a state fee. I do note that these charges are not holding you in. You have other matters that are in the district court. So even if I wanted to, I can't get you out. Okay.
Well, Your Honor, yesterday I had court
Yeah.
and they were gonna give me an OR bond,
Then
but
great. Then maybe you.
because of the municipal tickets I had, that's why they held me.
Okay. Well, you will be getting out today on the traffic matters. You do have 3 charges of violating a protective order.
Yes,
All right.
yes.
Now, I want to tell you, I'm going to give you a new court date for that.
Okay, Your
Do
Honor.
not miss the court date.
I won't, Your Honor.
All right. If you are still in custody, we'll know. But if you are getting out, because we'll send over the OR bond, we'll let you out. But I will tell you, if you don't, you'll be back right where you're at.
Yes, Your Honor. It won't happen again.
You understand? All right.
Yes, ma'am.
So for the traffic matters that you just pled to, I'm going to give you till the end of August, August 28th for payment.
Okay.
Okay, because you owe that $323.50.
Yes, ma'am.
As for the domestic violence, violating the protective order, and if you get out of jail, your court date is going to be August 5th at 8:30, and we'll also send over paperwork for that.
Okay.
August 5th at 8:30. Don't miss that.
I won't, Your Honor.
Now, let me look one other thing. I want to double check just to give you the warning. Amanda Sharshell,
My son's mother.
you are to have no contact at all with her.
I haven't been, Your Honor. She's just mad that I don't want to contact
Well,
her.
I don't want to talk about it. I'm just
Okay, I'm
telling
sorry, Your Honor.
you, no contact with her.
I won't,
Okay?
Your Honor.
That's part of your bond conditions. All right?
Okay, Your Honor.
Okay. Do you have any questions at all?
So what's my next step on how to get out now?
All right. We are going to OR you out.
Okay.
And we will send over paperwork for that.
Okay.
But your court date, August 5th at
Fifth.
8:30 for these domestic violence thing. And then the August 28th for payment.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
Okay.
Any other questions?
No, thank you. Thank you so much, Your Honor, for giving me a while. My son's in need of me right now.
All right. Well, you have a good rest of your day.
Thank you. God bless you, Your Honor.
And our next one, Barnhart, we're behind the med cart, so give us a couple of minutes.
Sure. No worries.
Thank you.
Did you get all that, Sherry?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Good, thank you.
You're welcome.
Pardon me, Judge, Mr. Barnhart is here.
All right, thank you. Hello, sir. I'm Judge Whitman with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. You have a number of unresolved matters here. Most stem from 2024. The most recent is 2025. Failure to appear, speeding, no insurance, driving with suspended license, no registration. There's a couple of those. No driver's license. There's two of them, inattentive driving and another no insurance ticket. I want you to understand that you have an absolute right to a trial in these matters. If you wish them set for trial, we can do that. But I also would like for you to visit with the prosecutor to hear what his plea offer is so that you can weigh your options, whether you would rather take the plea or set them for trial. So if you would ask the gentleman that gave you those headphones to put you in a breakout room, you'll be able to speak to the prosecutor in private.
Okay, Your Honor, I was uh I was in front of you a couple months ago, and I ended up going to Johnson County. That's why I missed the court
Right.
date, and I paid $100 to get a new court date
Right.
and was back in Johnson County on house arrest.
Well,
And
right now we're discussing whether you want to take a plea, and you can listen to Mr. Rankin about that, or set these for trial. That's what we're talking about today. I understand that you kind of ping pong between some different jails, but we're here today. This is to try to do some business, figure this out. All right. So if you would ask the gentleman that gave you those headphones, put you in a breakout, you can talk to Mr. Rankin.
Yes, ma'am. I understand. Leave those on. That's correct. So we call it a breakout room. That's just going to
Judge, I think we
All right,
do
Mr.
have a
Rankin.
resolution.
Okay, go ahead.
I believe Mr. Barnhart is willing to plead guilty to one of the no insurance charges and then the inattentive driving, and the city would dismiss the other 8 charges. We'd recommend a fine of $523.50 and no probation, no jail time, anything like that.
All right. Mr. Barnhart, did you understand what the prosecutor just said?
Yes, ma'am.
That you are willing to plead to no insurance and the inattentive driving.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Do you understand though, but by entering those pleas, you're giving up your right to a trial,
Yes,
like we
ma'am.
talked about. And is that how you want to proceed today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. For the charge of no insurance and inattentive driving, how do you plead, guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
I will accept your plea. All the other charges will be dismissed. You do have that a payment of over $500. When do you think you could have it paid?
I'm gonna need to have the whole thing paid. I mean,
Yeah,
I can make payments, but
yeah, that'll be fine.
I'm also making payments in Johnson County for my
Okay.
house arrest ankle monitor.
I got
So
you. Well, if I continue this over 2 months, if I go to the end of September,
I could definitely have some of it paid up
all
by
right,
then.
because if you're paying some, they'll move the date for you.
Okay.
Okay. So do your best to make some payments you can pay online to get this taken care of. All right.
Okay.
All right. So I'll give you that September 25th date. That's a Friday at 1 o'clock. If you made no payments, you can come to court and ask for more time. If
Okay.
you paid it off, then we're good. If you are making some payments, they'll move the date.
All right.
All right. Okay. Did you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
All right, that'll conclude the hearing. You will, we will send over paperwork to get you out of jail. I don't know if you have any other holds, but we won't be holding you anymore.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, you have a great day.
You too.
Okay, all done here. Heading down to Miss Dunn in the female pod. Take me a few minutes. I will be
All right.
back.
All right, thank you.
Judge, I'm sorry, what date did you give him?
September, what did I say? 25th, 25th.
25th. Okay. Thank you.
And pardon me, Judge, Ms. Dunn is here.
All right, thank you. Hello, Ms. Dunn. I'm Judge
Oh.
Whitman with Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. You have some unresolved matters here. Almost all of the, all of the charges stem from 2023. You have two charges of driving while suspended, two charges of no insurance, and two charges of no registration for the vehicle. What I want you to understand is you have an absolute right to a trial in these matters. Um, but I also have Mr. Rankin here. He's the prosecutor that I want you to visit with to hear what a plea offer would be for this. Then that way you can weigh your options, whether you want it set for trial or you want to take the plea. So if you would ask the gentleman that gave you those headphones to put you in a breakout room, you'll be able to speak to the prosecutor in private.
Yes, ma'am. So as the judge said, our breakout room, that is
Mr. Rankin?
Your Honor, I think we do have a resolution.
All right.
I believe Ms. Dunn is willing to plead guilty to one of the no insurance charges and then the expired tags ticket. And the city would move to dismiss the other four charges. We'd recommend a fine of $373.50.
All right, Ms. Dunn, did you hear what the prosecutor just said?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand that by entering these pleas, you're giving up your right to a trial?
Yes.
All right. And that's how you want to proceed today.
Yes, ma'am.
For the charges of no registration and no insurance, how do you plead, guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
I will accept your pleas. The other charges will be dismissed. You'll owe almost $400. Do you need some time to pay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, if I go to the end of August, will that be enough time? That's over 30 days.
The partial payment, I can have half of it,
All
but
right.
not.
All right, so how this will work is I will set it for August 28th. If you have it all paid off, who knows, you could win the lottery for all I know. If you pay it off, then you don't have to worry about August 28th. If you are making payments, you pay at least half, they'll move the date for you, okay,
Okay.
to give you that more time. If you've paid nothing, you have to come back to court on that August 28th and ask for more time.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And that'll be August 28th at 1 o'clock. We will send paperwork over. These charges will not hold you in jail. Whatever happens in district court, if they let you out, you'll get out. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
But right now, these charges are not holding you in. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Did you have any questions at all of what we just discussed?
No, ma'am.
All right. If you have no other questions, that'll conclude the hearing.
Okay. Thank
You
you.
have a good day.
You too.
Okay, 5 and under 60 minutes. I think that's
There
pretty
we
good.
go.
right.
Done.
All right.
Have a
Y'all have a
good
good
one.
weekend.
You
Bye-bye.
too.